Oh, Storm King and my sculpture has a way of being that is so unified with nature that it's magnificent.
Having a piece at Storm King is like having jewels in velvet. All of the works that I do begin with drawings. To be able to draw is to be able to put what you have imagined onto paper. When you go to do it into steel, it's drawing on a bigger scale. And then after you have found a form that is willing or in tune with what you're dreaming to do, then you have to know where its center of gravity is, what it can resist under certain pressures, what would prevent it from collapsing.
Ma Lowell, who's known to everybody as Malo, who educated a whole group of children in San Francisco. She was a widow who had 2 children. She said to me when I was about 8 years old, "You read too many books. I'm going to show you how to work with your hands." And I didn't know it then, but like there are these people in your life who can come along and they say and they do something and suddenly they have changed your whole life. And 40 years later, you find out, wow, that's where my life changed.